I have been the leader of Artistic Graphic Club, and I was also the vice president of the Rotary Interact Club. I felt like I was actually a CEO of a company where I trained other students about how they had to handle certain tasks given to them in given amount of time.
So in grade 9, I led a club called Framework Club where we planned on making a short film. It really taught me how to manage a group of people, how to really work on cameras, how to be a director in general. And it was a really good experience, and it definitely built a lot of my leadership qualities which I currently have because of leading a club.
As the head girl of the school, I've led the student council and we've taken initiatives together such as the cleanliness drive and peace project that dealt with anti-bullying. And also this year I'll be a representative of my school at the prestigious IC3.
Aside from the curriculum, teachers focus on adding another sense of moral values such as empathy, kindness, how to be a leader, leadership, and other values that you need to progress further in life.
So I'm in the school basketball team, and from basketball I've learned a lot of things like compassion, patience, and how to be optimistic. And if you think that you're gonna lose it, if you're gonna lose the match, you have to be optimistic that you will win this.
If your heart is big and your mind is sharp, you can be a good leader.